Hey guys, today I have a haul. I'm going to unbox with you some boxes. I think there's some makeup and there's also some skincare products. So the first box that I have over here, which you can see, this is from Style Korean. So they have a range of products inside. Let me just reach in. It's all coming with an air pouch. Okay, so the first thing, I'm most excited for this. This is from the brand Muse. And this is the CC cushion, which means Correct Care Complete Cushion, and it also comes with SPF 50. It looks like a big size, so I'm thinking it might be the cushion foundation and with an extra pack inside. Okay, so yes, it comes with an extra pack, and this is how the cushion foundation looks like. Oh, it's so cute. It's pink and gold in color, and it's good for 12 months. So this will be good for me to even travel with. I can bring it with me to Korea and on my honeymoon because that is all within the 12-month period. Okay, so comes with a nice mirror, and then the pack is black in color, like this. I like that the pack is really nice and soft and very flexible. Okay, so let us open it up and take a look. Oh, it's brand new, yeah. So let me get this out. Ooh. Oh, it smells really good. Okay, so it's white in color, so I'm guessing when we... Oh, I'm sorry if I'm blinding you. I'm guessing when we press it, it's gonna turn foundation color. Looks pinkish. Ooh. Okay, so this is shade number. I don't see a shade number on it, so perhaps there is only one shade. Okay, so I already have some product on my hand. Let us see the shade and how it looks like. Okay, I see a glow, but I don't see any color difference. So it's either a really good match for me, or maybe let us take more. Okay, how could it be such a good match for me? The compact is really nice and luxurious. Okay, so this... Hey, it does look like a good match for me. That's really nice because right now I'm struggling with not having foundations that match me. Like the undertone is just not right. So let me blend it out, and it isn't too tacky and it smells really good. Another product from Muse, which I'm really excited for because I really like sheet mask, as you can tell from my sheet mask collection video. And this one is the Muse Skin Repair Signature Mask. It's a biocellulose sheet. I love those kinds of things because they just stay on and do not budge. It comes with 5 pieces, and I must admit I already took out one to try long before this box is being filmed because it says biocellulose, so I was really excited to try it. And because it has extracts from daisy flower and rose, which have the moisture retaining power and helps skin elasticity gain vitality to fatigue skin by the external environment. So my first impression is I like it. I feel like it brightened my skin, and it did moisturize my skin too. There's one more product in here from the same brand, and this is the Micro Foaming Balancing Toner, 140 ml. It's for normal oily combination skin. So let us open it up and take a look. I've heard that this brand is quite expensive, so I'm really excited to try out their products, and I can tell from their packaging that they do look very luxurious. So this one, you just palm once or twice on a cotton pad, or you can use your hand. I personally would prefer the cotton pad, and then just spread gently along the skin direction to be absorbed. It says that its micro and abundant foam particles goes deeply in the skin. Foam particles for a toner. Adjust skin balance and provide nutrition and moisture. Okay, there's something really cute inside here, and this is from the brand Let Me Skin, and this is the Let Me Skin Ultra H2O Pink Mask. It looks like a giant pill, and it's one of those where you have to... Ooh, that was really loud. You have to mix it up, and then you apply it onto your face. It comes with a spatula, and it also comes with 2 sets. I was thinking it's just a one-time use, but you can use it 2 times. There is 2 different types, like the Ultra H2O Pink and the Ultra H2O Material. So there's step 1 and step 2. That's definitely a pleasant surprise because I thought I could only use it once. Last thing in the box, and I almost missed it, is this little thing, and this is from the brand Heimish. It's the All Clean Balm, Clean and Comfortable Beauty Intensive Cleansing Balm. Oh, it looks like a really good travel size. It's a daily cleanser for removing heavy makeup easily. Ooh. It's just a little pot and I've heard a lot of good reviews about this. Basically, this is a spa cleanser with natural aroma oil, natural vegetables ingredients. It's like 3 steps. It's a balm, and then it becomes an oil, and then as you rub it in, it becomes a milk. I am not a fan of cleansing balms. I've decluttered a lot of my cleansing balms to my friend, but because it comes in a little pot like this, it makes me more inclined to bring it into the shower and just try it once. Next box that I have is from Meditermine K Bio, and they sent over their snow series. So the first thing that I see over here, which is the biggest thing, they look like sheet masks. It is 2 boxes of Snow Glow Brightening Sheet Mask, and I love sheet masks. Each box comes with 5 sheets. So Meditermine is a vitamin supplement brand, and it's created in collaboration with a French cosmetics company. So let's open it up and take a look. It says that it's advanced brightening sheet mask for luminous dewy skin. Okay, so from looking at the bag, I can tell right away that this is a very clean product because they use green-grade ingredients and plant-based ingredients. So it is marrying the best of both worlds of the 2 different companies. Meditermine, which is the vitamin supplement brand, it's a brightness boosting sheet mask, and it contains vitamin B3. And the 140-year-old French cosmetics company is plant-based ingredients, which enhances skin tone, hydration, and skin quality. And it says that no adhesives or harmful chemicals were used in the productions. And this is a soft microfiber sheet. Along with that, there is also supplements, and this is the Meditermine Snow Cell Advanced Nutrition to bring out the glow within. So you use the sheet mask for external, and then you use this for internal. This is step 1 and the sheet mask is step 2. So this fills you up with energy for the glow within. There is vitamin C, collagen, fermented rice enzymes. The last package that I have is from Lacey, and they have some products from Australis. And I've never tried out this brand before, although I was looking at it a lot when I was in Perth. So they sent over 2 metallics eyeshadow. The names are so adorable. This is how it looks like, and let's open it up. So the first one, this one is called Selena Gold Mask. Like Gomez, but gold. And then the silver one is called Silver Club 7. Okay, so no smell for them. So let us, oh, they look so sparkly. Let us swatch the gold one first. Hey, it feels so creamy. Why is it so creamy? But it looks like it's powder. And you can press it in too. Okay, and then let us swatch the silver one. Ooh, chunk just dropped out. Okay, so this is the gold one. You can see the sheen. And then this is the silver one. Ooh. So this is how it looks close up, and I must say that the consistency feels really different. It feels creamy, but at the same time it's like powder. So that's all for my haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!